Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a little holiday get ready with me. So today we're going to be doing a holiday get ready with me type situation. So long time no see with beauty videos. It's been a while since I've just like done a sit down video like this. Pardon if it's not the best, okay? While I was away, like not doing like beauty videos and stuff, I did go ahead and I got the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe collab, and it has like this logo on the front. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it comes with all these brushes and a new sponge, which I already wet my sponge, so I'm probably not going to use the sponge that comes in here today. I wanted to unbox with y'all on camera. It's got the like kind of embossment on the front. It's just a beautiful set of brushes, y'all. And then I also have like 4 months worth of Boxycharm 4 months worth of Boxycharm stuff in here that I would love to try out on camera with y'all. So we're gonna do that. Also stay tuned because we're gonna have a giveaway at the end of this video. All of this will be included in the giveaway. Y'all can see there's like 3 full-size palettes in there, like e.l.f. putty primer, butter bronzer, couple brushes, some skincare. I'm just gonna start with the Pore Fit by Makeup Revolution, or XX Revolution, whatever. So how have y'all been? I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I've just been kind of distant. Even though I have been doing vlogs, I still feel distant from y'all just because I love doing makeup and this is like my escape from reality, you know? And I've literally not done any makeup at all past like 2 months. I mean, I can tell you I've done my makeup a handful of times in the past 6 months. So there's that. Alright, I guess we're gonna try this new foundation. So this new foundation is the Trustique Foundation Stick Lima Opal, I think is the name of it. It is refillable, so you like pop that out and then you keep this and you just pop it back in. Oh, that was the bottom. I was like, oh. So make sure you pop this, oops. So make sure you pop this back in all the way or it will try to run out on you. Let's do this. But do y'all see how that primer like blurred out my skin? Should I do half with a sponge and half with a brush? I'm gonna take this brush. Pretty sure this is a foundation brush. I'm almost positive this is the foundation brush. And we're just gonna go in. Alright, upon first look, it's got medium coverage. I feel like this shade is a little bit pale, but we can fix that. I don't know. I like this brush though. And I don't say that a lot about foundation brushes, but I do enjoy this brush. Alright, she looks a little bit weird around the nose area right there. It's kind of separating, but my skin over here on my cheek looks pretty good. It's just like right in this area, if y'all can see that. I don't know, we can try the beauty blender and see. Alright. This just looks really bad on my nose. I don't know if it's the primer or if it's just my nose reacting with the foundation. This does not look very good. Alright, so it does not look bad anywhere except for around my nose. I don't know if y'all can see that. It just looks really bad. And it's just like slipping and sliding around. Maybe I'm not using the right primer for this. Maybe if I put some concealer on top of it, it will look better. Alright, so I don't have like another concealer, like a new one to try, so I'm gonna use Kimchi's The Most concealer, and this is very light. Chandler got me I swear he got me the lightest shade for Christmas last year. I just wish it was like not this brush chip. I don't know, I feel like I would use it more. Like, it's not a bad concealer. I just gravitate towards my e.l.f. because it's easier to put on, I think. It is good for shaping around the eyebrows though. And this is the color Superstar. I think it's the color Superstar. I'm gonna kind of blend it out on my nose. I think it might be that primer with the foundation mixed, because it just does not, it's not the best right now. All right, I'm gonna leave this concealer for a second, and we're going to take this Lip and Cheek cream palette by Primrose and Cream, oh sorry, Seraphine Botanical. We're gonna go in the middle shade. Ooh, buddy. All right, yeah. You know, it's like 2 o'clock. It's like 2:15 right now, and it feels like the sun is going down. Doesn't even make any sense. Probably not, but I really love this concealer though. It really just like blanks out your under eyes for whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna mix some of these colors together. Some of the blushes. These look really pretty. You're like really pretty. Mean Girls. She's cute. I love this. I love how I was like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of blush, and now I'm just like adding more and more. And I'm gonna add a powder blush on top of this too. I love everything, like it on top of that foundation. This just lays so nice, but it's just like my nose, you know. I don't know what is going on. Anyway, let's do some powder. Make sure to set everything if that's what you like. Fit me in 10. I also have 15 light, but it's a little, she's a little dark. So I'm gonna take this big brush, dip into here. I'm scared. Oh, she is pigmented. I like her though. She's nice. Oh yeah, that is a good bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of wipe my brush off and go into the Hanalei. Is that how you say it? I'm sorry if that's not how you say it, but we'll see. I don't know, y'all. I cannot tell which one I like better. I like both of them. That's my final answer. You can't make me choose. I mean, bronzer is pretty much bronzer, but these are both blending out really nice. And I don't have anything bad to say about them. So this brush, a little bit smaller, and go into this bad boy. This is so good. She's got a big mirror. She's beautiful. I want to go into this bubblegum pink color. Love. That is just so pretty. Now, I know it looks intense on the camera, but I promise it's not that bad in real life. Is this too dense for highlight? I don't know. But we're gonna try it. Oof. Is that just the brush or is it the highlighter? We're gonna dip into all 3 of these highlighters. Maybe one of them will give me some shimmer. Okay, a little bit. Let's give me some brows real quick. When I don't want to do my brows, I just like brush them up. I'm gonna do them today, but I'm just telling y'all. When I don't want to, I just brush them up like that. Let them fall a little bit and good to go. This is the St. Luxe brow gel, and she's cute. So some of this powder right here. It is quite rich brown, but it'll do. Do y'all see that one hair sticking up? Alright, we got a burgundy brow going on. This is really good brow gel for sticking your hairs up though. You know, they can't all be great brow days. Do I look crazy? Let's just throw some color on our eyes. This brush is perfect for this. So I have a friend in my class. Are we shedding? No, I did not pay $100 for this set of brushes for them to shed. Anyway, I have a friend in my class. She has, her bestie is gonna be in Miss America. I'm gonna watch it. It's on the the 16th. But my friend's gonna be there supporting her friend. And I wanna support my friend supporting her friend. Alright, I'm gonna take this kind of green color. I don't know why I'm using a brush, but I am. It might make it pretty. I feel like I've already done this look. Maybe I'll add some purple to the outer corner. Yeah, I like the purple better than that, like, not brown, but like orangey color. Cute. Alright. So, this liner is Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner in Jet Black. These lashes are Camera Unique Beauty. It's the Mary Lash. They're super cute. Like, I love this packaging too. I don't think I need to trim these. So let's put the lash on, or the liner on. Alright, a little bit of liner. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit to the band of the lash. I think I tried to use this liner one other time and it worked pretty good. So let's see. Dude, that was so easy. Like, I'm not, like, let's do this in real time. I'll show y'all. Take your lash. I just put a really like thin coating on the top. Okay. Hang on. And it's literally on. Like, it's on. That is crazy to me. Cute. Okay. And don't judge my lash application because it has been a minute. So, what color lip? I do have this NARS. I don't know. I do like a little bit. I've been into like washes of color on my lips, you know, not anything crazy. I've never been into like full lipstick and stuff. Like, I'll wear it, but it's just like not my favorite. I was into lipstick for a minute though. I really was. But yeah, here we are. Let's do a little bit of purple on the bottom. Oh, that makes my green and my eyes really pop. Alright, are we done? I want to say yes because I'm hungry. So here's the makeup. Alright, so for those of you who don't want to stay for the giveaway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. But for those of you who do want to see what is in the giveaway, stay tuned. Alright, so I've got some of these little bitty gems here. They're just like stickers. I have this brush, which I have had this forever, y'all. I promise I have not used it. It's a crown brush. I got it in Boxycharm. But anyway. Then I have e.l.f. Putty Primer, never been used. This came, I already have one, and then I like got another one, you know, so anyway. Then I have a Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow. I have this liquid lipstick. It's matte metallic from Ulta. I have a butter bronzer right here, super cute. Got this Fairy Dust pressed highlighter, so cute. I have a Luxe Beauty, highlighter brush to go with the highlighter. And then I have a Dr. Brandt eye cream here. Love that. And then I have 3 palettes. So I'm going to show y'all the palettes on the inside. So I have this Living Color palette. And it came like this. Like, it was like split. So I promise I didn't do that. But here's the back. And here's the inside. Super cute. I love those shimmers in there. And then I have this Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette, and it's just a really good neutral palette. Super cute. It's got some orange and browns in there. And then I got Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman palette. This is a huge, these have huge pans in them, y'all. Look how big they are. And this is the same kind of thing, like orange, browns, there's a red in there. So yeah, I've literally been wanting to do a giveaway forever, and I just have not gotten around to putting it all together. But so just another look, you get that palette, you get this palette. Oop, I'm doing it backwards. Then you get this palette, you get a butter bronzer, you get a highlighter, you get a poreless putty primer, you get one single eyeshadow, you get a liquid lipstick, you get these little stickers, then you get a highlighter brush, or just whatever you want to use it for. And then this is supposed to be like a foundation brush, I'm pretty sure, but it's just like one of those flat head ones, but I just never use these. So anyway, sorry, gotta stick it back in there. But yeah, and it's got like a little head on it. So, oh, and the Dr. Brandt little alright, and to enter, I want y'all to make sure you're subscribed, then go to my Instagram, which is right here up here, and then go find the photo. You'll see, like, it'll say giveaway on it, and like the photo, and then tag 3 friends, and then go, and for like an extra entry, go and like if you want to share it on your story, but make sure you tag me on your story so that I see that you have shared it on your story. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.